And I'm Bobby with Whitetail Airsoft, coming to you deep from the woods of Kentucky. In case my accent didn't already give that away.
We're here to announce we're officially joining the world of YouTube.
That's right, gang, and we're going to be bringing gameplay videos, tips, reviews, and unboxings.
Don't forget the mystery boxes.
For sure, and maybe even just some general fun in the woods too.
So don't forget, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. We want to know where you're watching this from, so comment that down below.
Yeah, and don't forget to head over and follow us on Instagram too at Whitetail Airsoft KY for more.
See you soon.
See you guys.